happens in the robot's life stays on his memory card. Finally, Betty has a boyfriend she can rely on. Even getting out of the shower is nice. Iron clothes, clean shoes. Kevin has already taken care of everything. And she gets a nice smile as a bonus. He's so sweet! And also, the robot is multifunctional. You press the right button and he turns into a hairdryer. One gadget for all occasions. Make it cooler. The hot air is drying out my ends. All done. I guess I should probably go to a salon after all. A lot of guys wouldn't want to go to the salon with their girlfriend, but the robot is the perfect man, so he's happy to do it. Will you wait here? I won't take long. Of course! The robot is very patient. And there is so much literature to explore. The Kevin model has quick reading and memorization functions. Is everything okay with your partner? Yes, he was the best at reading in his class. This client can't relate. Slow down, please. You're reading, and I'm getting dizzy. Did you say something? No one expected this. Okay, now we can leave the salon. Nikki, you outdid yourself today. See you soon. Hey. It seems like not everyone is ready to accept robots into their lives. Going for walks has become an important ritual. I wish he talked more. But being quiet at the right time and talking when it's necessary is important too. Wow, this guy looks like a real playboy. Hey. Babe, forget about this loser. Go out with me instead. Hey, Kevin, why don't you say something? Hello? No reaction. Hey. Leave me alone, young man. Come on, I'll take you on vacation. The man is starting to bother the robot. Excuse me, don't fight, please. But the robot has a trick up his sleeve. Bam! And the belt is in the hands of the hero, and the villain's pants are on the ground. Oh, you'll pay for this! And you will learn a lesson, or the robot will put you back in your place. My hero! It's Murphy's Law. When you need your makeup to look good, you can't draw the eyeliner right. What's wrong with me today? I can't go outside looking like this. The robot sees that his owner is angry and he has to help. Is something wrong? I'm doing my makeup for the third time and I keep messing up. Leave this to a pro. The robot is talented. He can do anything, even makeup. Wow, you are so serious. Wait, you think this is a stylish makeup look for a party? Haha! Fix it now! We've had our fun. It's time to show his real skill. This time, no jokes. Wow, cool! You are a great makeup artist, babe. Let's hug, then run to the party. Betty loves parties. Dancing with her friends until dawn is the best. And this is my new friend. Please be nice. He doesn't seem like an extrovert. But he's a great dancer. He can do the robot really well. No, the music turned off. Who forgot to charge the speaker? But when the robot is in the building, that's definitely not an issue. Hey. Girls, don't fight. Just give me your favorite playlist. Yay! We can keep partying! Dance until you drop! Even an advanced device needs to be charged eventually. It's a good thing that the robot controls his own charge level. He chooses the best time to recharge and falls asleep. Just look at him! He is so cute and helpless. The ideal target for a prank. A harmless one, of course. Betty still loves her electronic friend. Charging complete. We can get back to business. Oops! Welcome to the real world, android! I hear noise. Someone seems to be awake. Here comes the robot. I had a malfunction. Help! Also, take a look at my leg. Is it okay? Oh gosh! Did you break it when you fell? Don't worry, we'll fix your knee. Come on, have a seat. I'll fix it right now. Hey! Oh. It was a revenge prank. Wow. It seems like he's definitely ready for the real world. Kevin's prank shocked Betty. Oh. But the robot is not mad and will always serve her a glass of water. And he can entertain her at the same time. Do you want to know more about me? The offer is very tempting. Her headache even went away. Look, all my memories are here. From the laboratory to meeting you. Who would have thought the robot was recording the whole time? Hey, were you watching me in the shower? That's classified information. Delete it right now! The classic question. Where does the second sock go after doing laundry? It's not funny anymore. What do I wear now? The robot is programmed to help the owner and deal with bad feelings. Describe the lost item and tell me where you last saw it. Once he has the information he needs, he goes to deal with the washing machine. Give it back immediately! Good! The devices can negotiate with each other. Betty didn't expect such a quick solution to her problem. You're magical! Thank you! In their spare time, robots also enjoy watching YouTube videos. This video is so funny! And this is my favorite channel! Hey, why did you switch it? Wait, how did you even do that? With one move? Unbelievable! You have so many hidden talents! Yeah. That's the truth. Well, almost. Although Betty doesn't need to know about it. That guy that hit on Betty earlier doesn't seem to know that no means no. Did you think you could blow me off? Ha! This time he came back with reinforcements. Hey! Guys, get to work! Why are you screaming so much? My love, Cuba is waiting for us. What a clingy dude. We need Kevin's help. Deal with them, but don't fight, okay? Come at me one at a time. Kevin already has the first belt. And now a double strike. The guy's entourage turned out to be totally helpless. Have a nice vacation, cowards. Hey, guys, where did your confidence go? Did you enjoy the new adventures of Kevin the robot? Would you like to have a friend like him? Write us a comment about it. Check out more interesting stuff on our channel. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss new funny sketches on Troom Select.